Have you ever felt frustrated by generic AI responses? Or wondered how some people get exactly what they need with just a few words? Today, we will unlock the secrets of powerful prompting. In this video, I will teach you the only formula you will ever need to master prompting on ChatGPT or Google Gemini. With these 6 key components like task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone, you will consistently generate high quality output. First, task. The first and most important part of any problem is the task. Always start with an action verb like generate, analyze, or write, and clearly state your goal. Let's take an example. If I ask Google Gemini with a prompt like I'm a 70 kg male, please give me a 3-month workout plan. Even without extra information, Google Gemini will still give me a basic workout plan. But what if I put only information like I am a 70 kg male? Then Google Gemini will not give me any relevant output. So it is mandatory to add tasks to your prompt. Second, context. Context is trickier. You need to provide enough details to get the results you want. While providing a context, a good rule of thumb is to answer 3 questions. What is the user's background? What does the success look like? And what environment they are in? Let's take an example. I am a 70 kg male aiming to gain 5 kg of muscle mass in 3 months. I can only hit the gym twice a week for 1 hour session. Give me a tailored workout plan. The more context you provide, the more tailored and useful output becomes. In this example, I am a 70 kg male aiming to gain 5 kg of muscle mass in 3 months. I can only hit the gym twice a week for 1 hour session is a context. And give me a tailored workout plan is a task. Third, exemplars. Exemplars are examples or templates that show AI how you want a response to be structured. It's like giving a template to follow. Let's say you need to write a job description. You provided some context to Gemini and asked Gemini to go through the existing job description template, which I found on LinkedIn. Then the output will follow same formatting and will use the same professional language. This will save you a lot of time. So main takeaway here is examples are not necessary for every prompt, but including relevant examples or framework will greatly improve the quality of your output. In this example, job description template is an example. Fourth, persona. The persona component is who do you want Google Gemini to be? Think of someone you wish to have instant access to with the task you are facing. Let's take an example. I have a knee injury and you are an experienced physical therapist. Please suggest me a routine to recover fast. In this example, physical therapist is a persona. Fifth, format. In this component, you will tell Google Gemini how to present information or output. Whether it's a table, bullet list, or full paragraph. Be clear about what you want. Let's take an example. I will provide Google Gemini with all the user feedback data and ask Gemini to organize the feedbacks into a table with 3 columns. The first column is for feedback. In the second column, mention the area of video to which they are referring, like video quality, audio quality, and quality of content. In the third column, Specify whether the feedback is positive or negative. Google Gemini will give me the output in a nice table format, and I can also export it directly into Google Sheet. In this example, table with 3 columns is a format. Sixth, tone. Let's quickly go through the last component. Tone. Whether you want output to be formal, casual, or serious. Specifying the tone ensures the response feels right for the situation. Let's take an example. Write an email to the team about a new project assigned to them using a professional, clear, confident, yet friendly tone. In this example, professional, clear, confident, yet friendly is a tone. Let's put this together into one example. Let's just say you are a showroom manager at KTM Bikes and you have just received 10,000 pre-orders of new KTM bike, which is 300% higher than your target. Write an email to KTM manager sharing this good news. The email should include all the details of the order and end with the section thanking marketing team. Use clear and concise language and write in confident yet friendly tone. Now that you have got the formula, you are ready to prompt like a pro. Remember, not every prompt needs all 6 components, but having this mental checklist ensures you consistently get high quality output. Thank you for watching. I would truly appreciate it if you could subscribe and stay connected.